Okay, now all of us need to get better at learning how to change words into math symbols. So one good idea is to start with the easy stuff. This says the fourth power of m is equal to. Well, right there we know that's an equal sign. Is equal to means equal sign. So now we have is equal to 29. The fourth power of something. Well, that's just something to the fourth power. The fourth power of what? The fourth power of m. Just like that. So now we're going to try another one. And I'm going to cover this up. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. This says 10 less than t. So that's a little bit confusing because then it says is less than 50. Well, is less than, remember the inequality symbols, means this. And then there's our 50. This says 10 less than something. 10 less than something. So if you have something, say basketballs, okay, so we're going to say you have basketballs. And let's say you have 20 basketballs. If you have 10 less, well, that means 20 subtract 10. So when you see 10 less than another thing, another number or a letter, that means that you're going to write 10 less means subtract 10. Okay? So what we have is this right here is 10 less than t, and all of that is less than 50. All right, now we're going to do the reverse. You're going to take this and you're going to write it in words. Well, an easy, acceptable way is if you, say a friend of yours said, hey, I spilled soda all over my math paper. I can't read number 13. What does it say? You might say x times 12 is equal to 12. That would be correct. You could write that, and that is what that would mean. So let's see what we have. Okay. X times 12 is equal to 12. Or equals 12. X times 12 equals 12. That's one way you could do it. But I need to show you this little trick about phrases. So when you are adding two things together, mathematicians like to use the phrase the sum of. When you're subtracting something from something, the difference of. Multiplying, the product of. Dividing, the quotient of. Learn these phrases right here. The other thing that you need to learn is these words right here, is, are, was. Almost always you can convert those to an equal sign. Okay? So when you see an add, subtract, multiply, or divide, you rewrite it as the blank of, the sum of, the difference of, the product of, the quotient of. So in this case, that's multiply. So we come down here to multiply. The product of x and 12, the product of x and 12 is 12. Remember, is means equal. So I don't even have to say is equal to. Is means the equal sign. Okay, that's it for this one.